What's up, everybody? It's Ruben from Camila the 68 Cougar. Today I will be unboxing and reviewing something that I received in the mail. A little bit of backstory with Estopp push button emergency brake systems. Reached out to these group of guys, great folks out there in Long Beach, California, in my home state. I reached out to them. I was really looking for something unique in an emergency brake. I thoroughly enjoy the electronic brake systems, emergency brake systems that we have in a lot of the late model vehicles. So as I'm building Camila 68 Cougar, I thought, hey, why don't I get rid of all the junk that comes with the stock systems that aren't the best performing, it's outdated. Why not simplify it a little bit and get something that's essentially bulletproof? So for Camila 68 Cougar, I'm actually partnering up with Estopp brake systems to install their emergency brake system. I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. If you guys are not familiar with that, go check these guys out. Great group of guys. Troy, thank you so much for helping me with this. And I really appreciate the support with Camila 68 Cougar. Now, if you are not following my Instagram page, I highly recommend it. Camila 68 Cougar. There's my Instagram handle, and it's also in the description. Please, please, please help me support the YouTube channel by liking and subscribing to my channel. I'll be having more updates coming up shortly. And also, if you can please, please, please follow my Instagram page as well, Camila 68 Cougar, where I provide updates as well. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So Estopp sent me several of these stickers. Might be handing some of these out a little later. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. All right, cool. So in the box we have the 1-year limited warranty, 12 months warranty under normal use and use in accordance to specifications supplied by Estopp. Don't think that's going to be an issue here. Pretty basic setup, so I don't think anything's going to be busting on this thing. General instructions is here. They give you kind of an idea of how to hook this up, both from a wiring standpoint and also from a diagram standpoint. It also includes everything that's listed here: actuator, power cords, the buttons, and the control box portion of this. Okay. Need help? Call these guys. They got a great tech support and great customer service. Not an issue there, but if you need help with it, feel free to reach out to them. All right. So this is very well packed. I didn't travel too far. I am in Fresno, California. Long Beach, California is probably, 400 miles away. So it's not too far away, if you consider what mail times are. This is the mounting bracket for the actual cable itself. You attach that to it and it holds things in place for you. And here is the actual box itself. Estopp, very well put together. Packaged really well. Thank you so much, Troy. This is the control box. Man, very simple, right? Got a hot and cold, or ground and hot. A couple of wires here. Push button that you can mount anywhere in or around your vehicle. It's a great safety feature too as well. So if you're worried about somebody stealing your car, hide this really well, and chances are they won't be able to get out of the braking system. Before I take this out, if you're wondering what the measurements of this Estopp brake system is, here's its general measurements. Long-wise, it's about 14 3/4 of a quarter long. It's 3 1/4 high, or wide, I should say. These mounting slots here, is a couple of slots here where you can move things around, but pretty small and pretty slim, which is really cool. It's what I liked about it a lot, that the mounting options are unlimited. Again, more bubble wrap. And oh yeah, this is nice. Yeah, check this out. Again, wiring is pretty simplistic. You know, once you wire it to that control box, 2 wires coming out here. The mounting box, this is waterproof, you guys. So if you guys mount this thing underneath your chassis, you don't have to worry about it because it is certified to be waterproof. This goes mounted to the bracket that I showed you guys earlier. Pretty simple. What do you guys think? You know, if you think about the emergency brake system that I have in Chameleon 68 Cougar from factory, gosh, there's cables all over the place. There's the lever that's old school. Don't get me wrong, it's kind of cool, but this is legit. Like, I really like that. This is billet aluminum, very well constructed. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know if you guys installed these before, or have you heard of Estopp system? They're out of, again, Long Beach, California. Really excited for them stepping in and helping out with Chameleon 68 Cougar for this build. Big shout out to the guys out there, along with Troy too, that helped hook me up with this. Before we wrap up this video, I just wanted to go over a couple of highlights from the Estopp emergency brake system. And I'll read straight from what the pamphlet says here. Estopp push button emergency brake is perfect addition to your retro mod, hot rod, classic car, or truck project. Its robust design, powerful performance, and simple operation make it the best emergency brake replacement in the market. Okay, works every time. That's better than works 60% of the time, most of the time, as you might have seen in a movie in the past. It works every time. It's a microcomputer controlled to carefully regulate the amount of pull required to safely engage the brakes on your vehicle. A simple button press will evenly apply the brakes up to 600 pounds of pressure. That's a lot. Even if power is lost, the Estopp will continue to keep the vehicle secure until power is applied and the button is pressed again. That's fantastic. If you got folks that disconnect the battery, that are trying to steal your car, it's not going to release the pressure on the emergency brake system, so it's going to make it a little harder to steal your car. The Estopp motor and housing is IP67 rated, which means it provides protection from contact with harmful dust, debris, and immersion in water up to 3 feet deep for up to 30 minutes. Don't leave it more than 30 minutes in the water anyways, right? You can rest assured that Estopp will continue to do its job even when exposed to the harsh conditions on the underside of the vehicle. So basically that just means that if it's in park, the emergency brake, it will not come off regardless, okay? Freeze up space, it's easy to install, can be mounted virtually anywhere, as I said today, on the chassis or even inside or the trunk, wherever you so be it. Keeps your vehicle safe and secure. Talked a little bit about that. If you hide the button somewhere where it's not easily found, again, it's just an extra feature to keep your car from getting ripped off. There's a more Q&A in the back of this. Go check out their website for more details. And thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.